okay, it's fine about the cereal, but if the 1/3 of all fruits in the world, definitely have to stop. Save the bee. As a model student of a high school, I read hundreds and thousands of textbooks of course. But it was pretty shock to me that one entry on my English textbook said, I will read to you. Earlier in the year, the U.S. Fish and Wildlife Service declared that in the United States, the bumblebee was endangered. Just one more thing. The population of the bumblebee in the US had shrunk by nearly 90% since the late 1990s, according to the Wildlife Service. What? Many scientists lawfully say that there are three factors of bee decline. First, it is the varroa structure. A parasitic mite. Varroa is a very small mite that feeds on the blood of bees and spread from hive to hive. In addition to weakening the bees, varroa can also spread diseases. Well, a word which begins with C come to my mind. Just kidding. Anyway, from now on, you have to listen very carefully. Second is poor nutrition, and there is a responsibility of us, human. As industrial agriculture has grown, monoculture was appeared, and this led to poor nutrition for bees because a single plant cannot meet their nutrient requirements. According to Dr. Heather Matula, a honeymoon biologist at Wellesley College, bees need a varied diet of different types of pollen in order to grow into strong, healthy workers. Plus, climate change. You know what I mean? And finally last, it's because of widespread use of pesticides. That is one of the most enormous responsibility we have. It goes as far as to have several ways that we can be killed. One of them is the direct contact which happens with farmers apply pesticides on the flowers with bee. Of course it's bad, but the victims are the bees which were there only. The more dangerous situation becomes when it happens second hand, by pollen, the air, water, or soil. It's often disastrous and eventually makes colony be collapsed because of the infection is through contaminated bee's body. If it goes worse, it can affect bees' brains, making the bees slow learners, and sometimes causing them to lose their ability to find the flowers, the honeys. Then, what should we do? 할머니?
우리가 당연히 들어왔어?
이거 제